Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make this beautiful macrame flower pattern. Let's get started. Go ahead and attach 3 ropes to a dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now take the cord all the way on the far left and point it down, diagonal, and to the right. And with this rope we're going to tie 5 double half hitch knots around it using the remaining ropes. Take your first cord here all the way on the left to tie your first double half hitch knot. Now take the cord that's now on the far left and tie 5 vertical half hitch knots with this one cord. Now take the new cord on the far left and point it down, diagonal, and to the right, and this time tie 4 double half hitch knots with these 4 cords. Now bring in 3 new ropes and we're going to repeat the same pattern with these 3 ropes, but this time we're going to work from right to left. So just take that far right cord and tie 5 double half hitch knots. Now take the new cord on the right and tie 5 vertical half hitch knots. Now take your cord on the far right, point it down, diagonal, and to the left, and tie 4 double half hitch knots. Now slide your 2 sections close together. Now with your 2 sections pushed together, you're going to take these 4 cords right in the middle and we're going to tie a berry knot. A berry knot is made with just 3 square knots in a row. Now take your right middle cord of that square knot through the right loop up here above. Take the left middle cord through the left loop right up here. Now pull on those 2 middle cords until your berry knot rounds and forms. Secure the berry knot with another square knot. Now we're going to repeat both of these sections. So on the left side, we're going to take these 6 cords and we're going to work from right to left. So just take that far right cord and point it down, diagonal, and to the left and tie 5 double half hitch knots. Take the new cord of this section of 6 that's now on the right, point it down diagonal to the left and tie 5 vertical half hitch knots. Now take the new cord on the far right of this section of 6, point it down diagonal to the left, and tie 4 double half hitch knots. Repeat this process with the 6 cords on the right side, working left to right. Now flip your project around so that we can tuck in these little ends that are sticking out from where we did our vertical half hitch knots. Okay, we're just going to tuck them right behind our double half hitch knots. This is what the back side will look like, so I like to just take those 2 ends and tuck them through the first top row here. Okay, so it will just slide in behind these knots to stay hidden and secure. So I use a tapestry needle to do this. Go through as many knots as you would like. I recommend going through 3 of the little loops. Pull it gently through, and then take your scissors and trim off the end. Do the same with the end that sticks out on the left side. And here is the finished project. Okay, so those ends are now secure and hidden. And we have this beautiful flower pattern that we can use in our macrame wall hangings and other projects. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.